Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Harman Kardon Go Plus Play wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset we have to press and hold this plus button over here and play and pause button. We have to hold it at the same time. Now it's done, and as you can see our speaker is turned off. That is a sign that it is hard resetted. If we turn it back on, it will go into pairing mode. As you can see, it's working. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.